Passion without purpose is just chaos. Fashion is not built on passion alone. Passion will get you started, it gets you excited. Yes, it lights the fire, but without purpose, it burns out fast. Passion is the fuel, but purpose is the engine. Purpose gives your creativity direction and structure and longevity. That's what I coach with my students and the brands that I work with. Not just how to design clothes, but how to design a future in fashion and in life that's intentional, powerful, and lasting. And in my book, Design Your Future, I cover all that stuff. I show you how to turn your creativity into structure and ultimately into success. So don't just dream it, design your future with intention and purpose, because the future doesn't wait.